Hello, viewer. Thank you very much for watching GIPSTE TV. Please, if today is your first time watching GIPSTE TV, kindly subscribe. If you already subscribed, then like and share our videos so that YouTube can recommend our videos for others to also watch. All right, today's video, I'll be focusing on a simple way that you can organize your methodology. Okay, helpful AI tool that can help you. So this particular video is going to show you the appropriate command that you need to put into the AI system to help you get the right information that you will need to help you develop your methodology session in your dissertation or thesis or in your research project. So stay tuned with me and I'll share my screen to walk you through this particular process. I'll first of all share the command. Yes, so on my screen here, you see the Word document that is being opened on my screen, and it reads command to use to create research methodology. Command to use to create research methodology. This particular command comes in this form. You have to use this action word create. Okay. After the action word create, then what do you want the system to do for you? Okay, the actionable item or the concept comes next. And what concept are you looking at? Research methodology. Then you have to add your title of the project or your topic. Okay. All right. So a typical example that we are going to use is this particular write-up. It reads create, that is the first session, all right, of the equation. Then the next element of the equation is research methodology, that is the actionable item or the concept you are looking for. Then the next is the title. The title reads the impact of education economic growth in Ghana. Then I will still ask the system to provide inter-citation in APA star referencing. Okay. All right. So all I need to do is to copy this command because I need to put the appropriate command in it. So the command reads create research methodology for the impact of education and economic growth in Ghana. Then the system has to also provide inter-citation and APA references. So I'll go and open my system, and this particular system or AI tool that I'm using is the Chat GPT. This tool is to help you to organize your thought process. It's not going to do the entire work for you, but it's help you to know what you need to put into the system or the information that you need to develop your session or your chapter in your project, thesis, or dissertation. Then you have to go and read around it in different database. Okay. All right. I have a video on how you can also get journal or e-database using AI tools. So stay tuned and keep watching our videos. So here, all I need to do is, since I already copied my command, I have to come in and type the command or paste the command in this particular space where it reads message chat GPT. So I will just paste them here and I'll hit enter. So here you observe that the system will give you a lot of things. Not all of the information will be relevant to the method session, but some is going to be relevant in other session of your thesis or your dissertation, or even in your research project. So if you look at this particular area, it reads introduction, which gives you a brief background, a brief problem statement, then a brief purpose, then a brief literature, okay? This will give you a brief about the theoretical framework. It helps you to align, okay? So if you don't even have an idea about what you need to look for when it comes to your background, your purpose, your literature, and even the theoretical framework, then this particular command will help you and give you an idea. What follows next is the research design, and this is where the method set session comes in. Okay, so if you don't want this particular information, you can still ask the same command in a different way and to give you another version of the methodology that you are looking for. So here, the research design is part of it, depending on your institution, okay, the information that they want you to put in. If some are missing, you can still ask the system to get those information for you. You see that the data collection gives you a brief information. I will do another video on how you can get appropriate research approach in terms of the research design, how you can do it for data collection and the data source type that you need for your study, the variables that you need to identify, okay, the hypothesis, the null and the alternate hypothesis, your sampling, your data analysis plan, okay. Then some ethical consideration you need to also put into consideration. There are some limitations to the method, okay. Then your conclusion in terms of summarizing the entire content in that session. So you see that give you an idea what you need to put in. I can still ask ChatGPT to give me another version of it in the same way, okay. See here, it has ignored some aspect of the first information and now it's focusing on the research design, okay? And it went deeper into it this time around. And some ethical consideration that you need to also consider. And some other information that you may need. So you can continue to act as system and to continue to give you different versions, okay, of the information. All you need to do is to go through and organize the information based on your department or your institution, the way their preference, okay, how they want you to set up the method session. But make sure that you have all the relevant information in that chapter so that you can meet the requirement of the department or your institution. This is what I have for you. I'll continue to do more videos. So under the research methodology session, you see that there are a lot of elements in there. If you want to read more or learn more, I have a video on all the different components of the research, okay, in this particular channel. Go back to our previous videos. If you have subscribed, you see all those videos. Go back and watch them. But I'm still going to do more videos on the various components of the research to help you know how you can navigate through with ease. Thank you for watching, and I'll put all the links in the chat so that you guys can get access to it and use them. Thank you.